So I just got this package in from my boy Malik. Shout out to you, dog. Basically, the intake that I had, the big gulp, won't fit the stock intake tube on my car. So my boy hooked me up with his old Rotofab off his SS. I've had this for a little while now, but we just haven't put it in yet because my tuner said that there might be some issues tuning since I don't have a wideband in the car yet. And I really don't want to have to drive another 2 hours back to New York for him to tap a new tune on. So this might just kind of sit on the shelf for a little while unless we could get a wideband and figure that shit out. Got the tube, got the shit where the MAF goes, got the fucking box, intake, all the clamps, PCV shit, gaskets, all that good stuff. Tonight, we're gonna give putting that wing on another try. I'm about to grab that shit and run over to Ed's shop and I'll pick up the video over there. So, be right back. Boom, at the shop.
If you don't got the stuff, then it's a bad day. You couldn't have just got the same shit you had. It was the horniest one possible.
The Anvil Auto is the best wing ever. It's on my other car.
Yeah, that shit was nice.
But for the time being, we're gonna try to put this, what is this? ZL1Addons, I think? Sure, we'll go with that. ZL1Addons fucking duckbill extension wing. That you need a special tool, which is called the
The gun with the rivets.
Some kind of rivet pop rivets. Riv nuts.
Yeah,
riv nut gun.
Not a rivet gun.
Nope.
If you buy one of these,
yeah, apparently if you buy one.
Don't fucking take the tape off it, because I guess you can't return it once you take the tape off.
Well, not just that. As soon as you buy it, if it's like brand new in the box, everything, didn't even touch the box, 30% restock fee. Oh, you want to hear a story time?
Are you going, is this where I think it's going?
Probably.
God damn it. There's a lot of whores this weekend.
Yeah. Hate them.
A lot about the whores.
So there was one girl I was messing with for a little while.
Put it in the vlog about the
Yeah, I'll put it in the vlog because I know she watches them. She watches the vlogs.
Yeah,
so it's about you. There was this girl I was messing with that may or may not have had a boyfriend.
No, definitely did.
And, you know, I was getting a little fucking upset with the situation. I was like, hey,
You were getting attached.
No, I was, she said she's gonna break it off with the guy like a month ago. She basically never broke it off with the guy. And then I was like, listen, dude, you gotta choose me or him. And she's like, all right, well, I'm gonna stay with him. And I was like, all right, well, you chose wrong.
Ooh, you went down that road?
Yeah.
That's a bit much.
No, I was posting things on my Instagram and he was swiping up like, who are you talking about? He put two and two together, realized what was going on. And he was not happy about it. She was not happy that he was not happy about it. And I was not happy about it. No one was happy. So here we are.
Man just can't let a whore be a whore.
Nope, never. I hate them all.
So this is what you do right here. It just goes like this.
And then you just drill it right in.
Just drill it.
Use a self-tapper.
Yeah, I got some over there. Who the fuck came up with this? Idiots.
Oh yeah, and this also doesn't come with any instructions at all if you buy it.
No.
So.
No instructions.
Luckily, we're not
Two pieces.
fully retarded. We're mildly retarded, not fully. We'll be able to figure it out.
Not retarded. We're special.
All right, step one, if you're doing this, cover your wing with a shit ton of tape. From what I've gathered online, there's a little bubble right here on your center. What is this, fucking brake light? That's the center of your whole rear end. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up measuring this thing just to be safe. So you go from center, put the fucking thing on, riv nut. I'll press like this side, boop, boop, boop. Mark them with fucking Sharpie, same thing, boop, 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 mark it with Sharpie. Riv nuts, and then put the thing on, we should be good. Seems simple enough, but you know, you guys aren't new to this. Every time we fucking do anything, it goes until 2 a.m. So time check, it is 7:12. Can't wait to see how long this fucking takes.
Are you fucking timing me?
1 hour later.
So the logo is the center of the car, correct though?
There's a little dot on the fucking brake light.
Well, that dot is dead center. We're not gonna use a tape measure, that's for bitches.
Remember the exhaust? What was it? Measure none, cut once.
Measure 0 times, cut once.
Money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Measure 0 times, cut once.
A few moments later.
Well, here's where...
We're trying to see if this should sit up a little bit or if it should sit
There's
flush.
no real, like, direction to how it is.
Well, hold on. Wait. Maybe it should sit up.
Why does this fit? Well, it's supposed to try and do it, right? Alright, so does this look right?
Sure.
Just as far as height.
I mean, yeah, fuck it, yeah.
No, yeah, fuck it. I need, yeah, that's sexy as fuck.
I
Remember
mean-
all the other stuff we put on your car? Yeah, shit's fire.
It's gonna be on there.
Holy shit. I'm about to drill holes in your fucking car. You want this or not?
It definitely needs something. The back end looks fucking naked without anything.
Yeah, it's bad.
So regardless of me keeping this or not, worst comes to worst, I'll buy the fucking...
It all comes right off in one piece. You
yeah.
take it off and resell it. Jesus.
No going back now.
I mean, yeah, you didn't have a choice at that point. They didn't give us a size to fucking use for the shit.
Man's gaping my fucking wing right now.
I'm up to 3/8, bro. 3/8 is a big hole. I gotta go to 4/8.
Ed is going to the fucking moon with this bit.
27/64. That literally did nothing.
I'll get a hammer, bro. Fucking hammer that bitch in there. 27/64. That is the size you need, kids.
That's it. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Peel the tape back. Put this one in. Because I don't need the tape anywhere around this. Was the rivet supposed to go through all that? What? Look at this. What the fuck is this? You got this much fucking wiggle room?
Maybe it'll be different with the fucking plexiglass shit on there. Maybe this will make it different. I don't know.
Yeah, bro. Right here, I'm gonna tape it where we want it, and then I'm gonna tape the ends here and here, and then I'm gonna just drill through those holes.
Much later.
Got that thing on there. Taped it down how we want it. Try to just send it to the fucking moon. Let me see how this is gonna look from the front. Got a little something. That ain't bad.
Like, that should literally be it. Now you can take all your tape off, take the wing back off. And no, we did not just tape it randomly. We spent a good 15 minutes fucking
taping it randomly.
Lining it up to tape it randomly.
Where'd you get this wing kit at? Amazon?
Basically, the equivalent of that.
At least they're not like all the other Camaro drivers. Leaving that neon yellow strip on their front bumper.
What are you talking about? That's
big Dodge guy.
That's Dodge guy.
Close enough. Actually, looks better than I thought it would. I was expecting it to kind of look like dog shit, but it's not that bad.
Take pictures of it being so dusty.
Hasn't been washed in a week.
Here.
This car has been to New Jersey so many times. It is dirty. There's squirt stains on my fucking passenger seat.
Come on! You better wash that shit, bro.
I can't get them out.
I already sat in them in your old fucking car.
How do you get squirt stains out of fucking Alcantara, dog? I don't know.
That's the quote of the century right here.
That shit looks pretty good.
It's all in how you title it. Tag Toby's ass or something.
What is your final? You like it? Don't like it?
Well, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be way worse. It's not bad. It's actually not that bad. I think seeing the white wrapping on it, it looks gay. And then when you take the wrapping off, it still looks gay. And then when you drill the holes, you're like, this is really gay. And then you put the bolts in, and you're like, wait a minute, it's not that bad.
And then you get it all the way on there and wipe it down, you're like, wow, that's actually all right.
Several days later.
Oh, shit.
Got the side skirts and I got the jack pucks. The most important jack pucks of all time.
Are they the same ones you had?
No, the ones on my other car were fucking $1,400 carbon fiber, horny fucking.
So these are gay.
There's black ZL1 rocker skirts. This car, I don't really want to do carbon fiber on the outside because it's all black.
Horny.
Yeah, but it's all black, so it's like.
Carbon fiber is horny on a black car, bro.
Carbon fiber would have been horny on my old car. That would have been insane.
It's horny on every car, but it's extra horny on a black car.
Boom.
Is this the same shit?
It's gonna look so good.
Is this another rivet situation?
This is Extreme Online Store, dude. Let me guess, self-tappers and 3M. Is that what we got?
Yeah, they're just long. They look like they're just longer. Oh yeah, this ain't gonna work. Look what they give you.
At least they tried.
Licorice. What the fuck is this? I'm just gonna look at it and figure it out.
I was gonna say, if you could save, okay, I was gonna sell that, cool. But these are the jack pucks. They're the same exact ones you get off ZL1Addons, but they're on Amazon. So when you put them on, what do you look for?
Yeah, the pinch weld, that's where it goes.
All right.
20 minutes later.
It's McBuckets and McNuggets?
Yeah, I was telling Ed 2 days ago, I did a bunch of videos for this dude, YBC Duel. Yeah. His most famous song is called McButtons and McNuggets.
You did pretty good.
Dude, it's like murder anthem fucking.
Oh, who played the dead guy? The actual dead guy?
I don't know, probably. So while Ed's installing these skirts, I'm gonna try my hardest to get these wires out. Where the fuck? Catch me never putting underglow on any of my cars. Cause how the fuck did they even fucking do this shit, dog? What the fuck?
One eternity later.
All right, I just took all the fucking underglow out. Only thing we have left to remove is where it went down in the front and like the ground and shit. Anyways, this is a pretty average side skirt install. Basically, you take your side skirt, put some fucking tape right along the inside. I'll show you this side for a little quick example. Put that shit up, fit it how you want, and then press it on there.
So you line up with the back, hit the whole fucking thing. You don't have to hold the bottom. only have to hold right where my one thumb is.
Kind of hard to get a good view. I probably could have got a better before, but definitely looks way better with the skirts on. The underglow shit was all fucked. I had like a big ass box right here. Whoever wired it wired the fucking on off button right there. There's a bunch of other garbage going on. And my headlights are currently fucked up a little bit. The Oracle RGB kit I have only works like half the time, and one of my DRLs doesn't work, and the fog lights don't really work. So I bought a whole nother Oracle kit because it came pre-installed on this car, like the previous owner did the underglow and the other shit, but I'm gonna have Ed's boy fuck with it this weekend.
And we're gonna get another roll of tape. But
yep. For now, it's fine.
For now, it's good.
Anything you want to say? Side skirt, 1 to 10, how hard? Recommend?
It was pretty angry. It was easy to install. It was like fucking 1. But cheap product. We'll make it better next time.